Hi everyone, good morning.
Ma'am,
How's everyone?
fine.
Great.
How
Juveria,
are you, ma'am?
I'm
Yeah.
good. I saw some amazing pictures of yours, okay? Enjoying in the Northeast, snow and the ropeway and so it was good, right? Good fun.
Yeah.
Great. So you had a fabulous holiday.
Yes.
Great. So what about the rest of you? Did you go out or y'all were at home only enjoying your vacation at home? What happened? So quiet after the vacation? Don't want to attend school, I suppose. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after the vacation, you need another vacation, right? Because you just don't want to come back to school. Or is it the other way? Okay. So are we prepared today to complete this stamp making? All of you? Hello, Zara. Okay, so I want some answers from y'all. Are we prepared to complete this work? Okay, because you have to show it to your Shabana ma'am because I think she's in charge of public speaking.
Ma'am, I'm
And
ready. That's
great.
my all.
All
Yes,
material ready? What about the
Yes,
rest of
ma'am.
you?
Every single one.
Excellent,
ma'am, I've
Hamilton.
done making the stamp also.
Oh,
Ma'am,
fantastic. Can
I
I
did
see?
not. Ma'am, I did not
I
find the
saw
pen
last
knife. So
class.
can I use a normal knife?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yes, ma'am. And I have 3 molded clay because my sister took one and opened it.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's get started with it. What about the rest of you? Do you have your material? What is it? Can I just
Yeah.
get some replies? What about Zara and Zainab, Umar? Yes, Zara, you can hear me, right? Do you have your material ready? Okay, so for your assessment, we are going to complete this entire thing as your assessment also, okay? So you will have to be there. You cannot switch off your videos and not do your work, no bringing material. That will not be done because this will be counted for your assessment, okay? Sayan, you just woke up and just came online, right?
I don't know why hair is like this only.
Okay. Okay. Come on, let's get started. So whoever has not got it, I'm sorry, but for your assessment, I will not be giving you marks then because I want this work. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to make the base of the stamp. Okay. So get your molded and you can open it. So you need to mix, as you know, both the clay together, equal portion. Okay, now today we are going to go quick with it so that we are able to complete it. Yeah, I will tell you, but then this is going to be included. Okay, I want to see this work complete. So this is one thing that we are making out of the molded clay for your assessment. You will be making something different, but using the molded clay. Okay, you can make any miniature item. It could be a miniature house. It could be anything, some animal.
I don't have the clay.
You don't have the clay, you have to buy it. The clay is available in the stationery shops. Okay, so now quickly we are going to mix this. Use a little bit of talcum powder so that it doesn't stick on your hand and on the surface. If possible, try to use a plastic or some material that this should not stick.
And what is the name of this clay?
It's called molded clay, Fevicryl molded clay. It's easily available in the market, in the
Okay.
stationery shop. Okay, if you ask in a stationery shop, he will give it to you. Now,
Ma'am,
one.
I have this for 2 weeks.
Yes, I know. We've been like missing out because last week was, like many students didn't even turn up. Okay, so let's complete this today anyhow and do a good job. Okay, because you have to use this as a stamp on your passports. So please complete it so that I can show it to Shabana ma'am that their students are ready with this stamp. Okay, somebody is unmuted. Just, I think Hamza, just mute yourself, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so once you mix this, you have to see to it that it becomes one color. Okay, very important. See, this thing is yet not mixed. It has to be one color. So go on mixing it till you get that one single color.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hamza.
is it okay if I mix 2 red color packets into
No,
one
no, no,
blue
no, no,
color
no, no. No, no. You have to use equal quantity. You cannot mix 2 and 1 or half and 1. Okay, it has to be, if you're taking half of red, exactly half of blue you have to take. Okay, otherwise then the hardening won't happen. Okay, it won't become hard.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not mixed.
Yes, you have to go on mixing. It takes some time. You'll have to keep doing it. So keep rolling it between your palm. Okay, so that it goes on mixing. See how I'm doing? I'm just rolling it and then again folding it and rolling it. So then I will get one single color. Zara Khatri, I want to see your stamp. Okay, Zara, you have to buy
Yes,
the
ma'am.
material. Okay, I have been telling this past 2 weeks. You will have to buy it. I know this is something which will never be available in the house unless you are using it, right? So buy it from any stationery shop. Are you living in Mumbai or anywhere else where you will not get this material? Are you living in Mumbai? Zara?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Zara Tahir Kazi. Are you in Mumbai or somewhere else? Sorry? Mumbai. Kuwait. Okay. Okay, so do you get any other kind of clay over there? Clay, I'm sure will be available, right? Can you just find out in the market? You might get some other kind of clay. Okay, so bring that. That's, yeah. Okay, great. So if this is not available there, you can use any other.
Ma'am, I could not go out, but I had another type of clay which also hardened up at
Great.
home, so I used that.
Absolutely.
It's basically the same.
Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to leave some clay aside, okay, because I'm going to make a pattern on this and stick it on this. Now this, what we have to do is just flatten it a little bit. Okay, now we need a handle for it and a flat area. Okay, so the handle is basically to hold it and to put the stamp, right? So if you don't understand, please ask me 10 times. I'm okay with your questions, but don't miss out on this part, okay? So see what I'm doing. I'm just folding this. The handle should be big enough. And just keep pressing it like this. Okay. So when you press it, what happens? This area is going to get flattened. Okay. Now just see, I'm just pressing it around. Okay. So that it becomes flat. Now this area is flat. Okay. That's exactly what we want right now.
Ma'am, it should turn into a white color, no?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, my one is a little whitish, but it's not complete white.
No, that it's going to be little whitish only because the gray has been added to the white. So obviously the color will turn a little grayish white. Okay, don't worry about that. As far as you don't see two separate colors, you're good. Okay, can you see this? Can you see how I've done this? Okay, so I have got a completely flat area here. Can you see? Okay, and now I'm going to leave this as it is for drying. Got it? Now this, I'm going to leave it for drying. This is going to be the base. And on top of this, I'm going to put a pattern. Again, I will make it with molded clay. If you have some other material like a sponge or eraser, you can use that. So this is the base of the stamp. Okay. I'm just gonna.
Okay.
Yeah, this is good, Hamza. It's good. Just make a proper handle and a flat base. Okay. See how flat it has to be flat. Apply a little powder so that it becomes smooth. Got it? And just leave it aside. And now we will use the rest of the clay to make some pattern on it. Yeah, perfect, Juveria. Very good. Just see that you just roll it a little bit on the powder and the flat surface to get a completely smooth flat surface there, okay? And then leave it aside to dry. Now this other part.
I got the powder. I'll get that.
Yes, okay. Now the other part you just flatten
Ma'am,
it.
I don't have the powder. Is it okay if I don't have the powder?
It's okay as far as you're able to get a smooth base, okay? Because the powder helps it move smoothly. And you can mold it also nicely, okay? Otherwise it keeps sticking onto your fingers and the surface.
Ma'am, no doubt about it. It's really sticky.
Hello, Hamdan and Omar. It's good to see you. Omar, are you doing?
I don't have the clay.
You have to buy the clay, Omar. It's been 2 weeks now since I've been talking about this clay. Don't give that excuse, please. You get this clay easily in any stationery shop. Now, one piece of advice to everyone who has not purchased it as yet, okay? So when you take the clay in your hand, okay, so just press every angle, wherever you're pressing, it has to be soft. Anywhere you find it even a little bit hard, tell him to give you another piece. Okay, because sometimes what happens, they will just give you old packet, okay, because they want to sell it. But what happens is the old packet, the hardness starts drying already. So it is hard. So when you feel a packet, you see to it that it is completely soft, only then you buy it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. This happened with me also. This
Yeah.
is the clay that I was using. The red part was so hard. That's why I used the
Correct.
softer red part.
Correct. Got it. Okay, so you understood what I'm talking about.
Ma'am, I've left my clay for drying. Now, what do you have to do the
Yeah.
other part?
Now other part, you just flatten it, okay? Now you're going to make a pattern on it. Now the pattern could be anything, whatever you like. if you want your stamp to be a shape of a flower, a leaf, or some face, anything. So even if it is your initial, suppose Hamza shape, okay, so H and S, if you want it like that, you can write that also, and you have to carve around it, okay. See to it that it comes up to equally this size, same size. A little bit bigger is fine. Okay, now you're going to draw the pattern on top of this. Sarah, I want to see your stamp.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I'm finding.
Okay, now this second base.
Um,
Juvelia, are you back?
Oh,
Yeah, okay. So
ma'am,
what I
ma'am, my stamp fell. It got broken.
just mold it once more quickly before it dries up completely. Okay, now this, the second
Ma'am.
part.
ma'am,
Yeah.
is just
1 second, Sarah, I want to see it properly. Okay, hold on. Yeah, show it. Okay, that's nice. Very nice, Sarah. Excellent. So she has used her initials as a stamp. Okay, so only thing you have to remember is if you're making your initial, it should be pasted in the opposite way. Okay.
it
So
is
that-
opposite, but the in
Yes.
camera it is shown.
I know, I got it. Perfect, very nice. Okay, now quickly on top of this particular, the second clay that you have made into a flat surface, on top of
Ma'am,
this
this
you
is-
have to draw your pattern. Okay, now the pattern could be anything. So you decide what you want to draw. Juveria, do you have any idea? What are you planning to make on this?
Ma'am, I've already
Okay.
made the thing on a piece of paper.
Excellent, Hamdan. Very good.
Hamza,
Yes, Hamza. Very good.
should
What
I carve
about
it now?
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, I want to make a J on it.
Okay, go ahead. So remember, when you carve the J, just carve it, make a beautiful J, carve it nicely, and then how you're going to place it. Okay, it's the same way. Okay, where you've written the J, you have to apply glue on the same side and you will have to stick it on this. So it's going to look up in the opposite, the flip side of it is going to be visible. But when you put the stamp on the paper, it will be a proper J. Okay. I think I had explained this last time,
Okay.
right? So you know.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Now, quickly, before this dries up, you have to quickly draw it and carve it. Okay. I'll be back in a minute. I'm using a toothpick to draw the design. Okay, so if you want, you can use some item like that just to make the design, and then you have to carve around it. Or you can use a pencil or a sketch pen, whatever you have handy.
Oh. I made it wrong.
If by chance you don't like the design, okay, and you want to, you can quickly just flatten it by applying a little powder and just flatten it, okay? You can do that in case if you don't like your design and you want to change it. So do that. Only thing you have to remember is this, the clay will start drying out in 5-10 minutes. So before that, you have to make and cut it. Okay, somebody is, Umar, just mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, this is so confusing.
Why?
This is so tricky, ma'am.
Is it?
Ma'am, I'm
Yeah,
doing
it
with
is.
such a fat scissor. And it's much trickier for me. I'm doing it with a fat scissor. Thick scissor.
Okay. So you know what? Just try to trim it using a this thing, fine thing, maybe a needle or even a toothpick is good.
Ma'am, I'm getting it. Ma'am, I'm getting it. Ma'am, I'm getting it. It's looking very nice now.
Great. I'm glad. Okay.
No side. No, no. No. Like that. Ma'am, now I have to draw a hand with fingers. This is going to be so tricky.
Yeah, it is.
The edge is tricky itself. Now I have to draw fingers in that edge.
So if you feel it's going to be tricky, and you can change it also if you like, okay?
No, ma'am, it's okay. I got it.
Great.
At least I hope so. I got it.
Yes, you will not know unless you try. So that's good. Just give it a try. If it doesn't happen, no worries. You can use another mold it and try it again. Okay, so don't give up on it. It's
Yes,
never,
ma'am.
yeah, it's always that, not necessary that in the first go you will get what you really want.
Goodness. This is so cute.
Now the carving part becomes difficult. See that you use the tip of the knife. Okay, so you can easily carve it.
Ma'am, is coming out good. It's not the best, but yeah, it's good.
That's good. I like your spirit. Hamza.
Ma'am, Hamza.
Yes, Hamza. Sorry.
Ma'am, I'm done carving it.
Wow, can I see?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second. I'll try to show you. Ma'am, can you see?
One second. Okay, that's nice. Just take it a little behind because it's getting blurred.
This
Yeah, very nice. That's good.
one? Let me stick to the hand now. I have to
Excellent.
use the knife to cut it out.
Yeah, be careful with it, okay? Because you're using your proper knife.
Ma'am, this is actually this butter
Butter.
knife.
Okay, then that's cool. Okay, go ahead.
Ma'am, just a second. I have to make some last minor revision to it.
Hamza, the jaws are teacher.
Just a second, ma'am. I'll be.
I hope the rest of you are able to do it. So the carving is little bit tricky, but just go slow with it. No worries. You don't have to complete it in today's class itself, but be very slow and so you get your proper exact carving that you're willing to get. So remember that slow and steady also wins the race. So if you're too quick with something like this, you may spoil it. And again, don't worry if it doesn't come out exactly the way you want it. You can still try another one.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hamza.
ma'am, after making the carving done, what do we have to do?
Yes, so now after this thing dries up, the stamp that you have created, okay, you will have to put Fevicol and then stick it on this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So-
Ma'am, do I have to cut out the extra parts?
Yes, try to cut it out. If not, you can press it in such a way that your design has to be embossed. Okay. So
Okay,
your
ma'am.
design should be embossed and the rest of the area should be below it. You can even do that.
Ma'am, that is not possible in my case.
Okay, so then try to cut it. Whatever is convenient.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. The
Ma'am,
cutting is not
Jay.
convenient.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah,
I
just
tried
a
my
minute.
best, but then it had a little bit.
Hold on. Oh, that's lovely. Very nice. Great.
Yeah.
Good. So now
Now I
one
should
thing,
apply glue, right?
yes, you will have to apply glue and remember you have to post it the flip side. Okay, paste it. Got it? And then what you will do is, now suppose this is your J. Can you see my paper? One second. Now suppose this is your J you have written here. Just see to it that you make this kind of very tiny dots. Okay, very tiny ones.
Ma'am,
Okay, and then you apply the glue and then stick it. It will stick better. Got it?
Okay.
So on the side that you're going to stick, I'm talking about that. Okay, and then you see that the front side should be smooth. Yeah. So this, or maybe why I'm saying this is the glue enters these small dots that you're making on the clay and it will stick much more firmly. So try doing this slightly, just put, just little bit of dots with a pointed thing or a pencil and then stick it. Okay. Try doing that.
Ma'am, my heart is beating.
I heard that. It's pretty loud.
Ma'am, I even have to cut the interior of the edge. That's the most hardest part.
Yeah, so be careful, okay? Just be very careful. If it's not
Hope
happening,
this
just
comes out well.
it will, Hamdan. It will. Hamza. It will. Yes. Actually, when you sing or hum a song or some music, so what happens is your stress goes away, okay? So your heartbeat will slow down again, and then you'll be able to do a better job. So you can hum along with your whatever you're doing, okay?
Ma'am, this is so tricky. The interior is not even coming out. Oh. Yeesh.
See, even
I
my
almost
tree is.
killed my. Ma'am, one interior done. Second interior on.
Great.
The second
I'll-
one should be easier.
Let me give you one advice.
Ouch.
But just press
Yes.
the area that you want to carve, okay? So that by chance it dries up, at least it is pressed down. It will not show when you stamp it. Do you get it?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I think I get the idea of it. And ma'am, just like that, my thing is done.
Great.
Okay, wait, ma'am. A little is left over.
I sticked it.
Okay, 1 second. Juveria, right?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
thank you.
Excellent. Great. Great work, Juveria.
Dropped it, but it's fine.
Carving.
Once it dries
Look,
up. Yeah, 1 second.
it got flattened from this side.
Yeah, it has to be flattened from once. See, the whole thing has to be equal, okay? Because when you
Ma'am.
stamp it,
Done
Hold on.
carving.
so when you stamp it, okay, that's great.
Now I have to remove it from my hand. Again. With the carving on it.
I told you, you need
Right
powder
on
for
it
this.
on the H and G.
No.
H and
I only wrote H. Oh God.
O.
Hamza, can you show your
X.
stamp?
Yes.
Almost dead. It's almost gone. Okay, no, I saved it. Who? My. I thought that was the end of it. After
Yeah.
so much thinking.
Now we all would like to see what you've done.
Ma'am, wait just a second. I'll have to stick it now.
The mess, and then the tables also the mess, the knives also a mess, and my computer also.
Yeah, please remove it, okay? Otherwise it will stick on it permanently.
And then you know what is going to happen to you.
Just apply some powder and quickly remove it, okay?
Ma'am, great. Now I have to even remove the stamp.
Yeah, so it's a tricky
Oh,
game.
Ma'am,
I hate this.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm doing the.
you can use sandpaper also.
Sandpaper.
Wow, ma'am. Now it stick to the
For
knife.
Okay, that's the reason you need a powder. You know
Yeah,
that
ma'am.
is.
Now I get it. I thought this was going to be easy.
rubber is easy.
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, I so did it. Now I need
Excellent.
some glue.
Yeah.
Ma'am, now I just need some glue. Where did my bag go? Oh,
Ma'am, I didn't have the clay. So, ma'am, I did it with a rubber.
Yeah, but that's a very good thing that you did, Sarah. It's lovely. So,
Ma'am, Umar.
oh, Umar, you did it. Very good. Great. Can I have a look?
where is.
I would like to see that, Umar. 1 second. Oh, that's nice. So what have you carved on it?
I wrote a U.
Oh, lovely. So now you can try stamping it. Just apply some color and try to stamp it. Let's
Ma'am,
see.
I've normally written S and K, Sarah Khatri.
Yeah, I know. Yours has come out well, Sarah. Very good.
Dada carved it. I got hurt while carving. Then cutter was very sharp.
Oh. So while carving, my clay just kept on elongating and elongating. So I will have to just leave it as it is maybe. Okay, so I'm also done with my carving. And hopefully it will look nice. I don't know. This is the first time even I'm making a stamp. So once it dries up, only then I will be able to see. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it for drying and I will try to see whether the stamp works once it is completely dry. Okay, so Hamza, were you able to stick it?
Ma'am, it worked.
Yes, who's that? Oh, wow. Wait 1 second. Hold on. Very nice. Lovely. Great. So I was just searching net and there is another material which you can use. That is only if you have it in your house. It's those thermocol plates. You
नहीं
even the thermocol plates can be used. So thermocol plates are soft. Okay. So when you carve on it, it is not carved, but you can just create a design. You can make deep design and then you can use that as a stamp as well. Okay. But again, then that is a waste product. So only if you have it in your house, you can use it. Otherwise, you'll have to like buy one whole packet of thermocol plates. Okay. So I guess we have got it. Rest of you, please get your materials and try to make this. And next week we will start something new. Okay, so again, I will post it on the Google Classroom, what all material will be required. And that will take 2 sessions to complete. Okay. So I'm going to consider your examination week. Okay. That will be your assessment, which you will be completing. Got it? So once you, so once you start, so next session, we will start the artwork and we will complete it in the assessment week. So all of you have to be present next week as well as the assessment week. Okay. It is important because we are going to start something and then complete it.
You send the portion of arts in Google Classroom.
Yes, I will be putting it in information section. Okay. So you can just check out over there, and the material I will post it on the WhatsApp as well so that you can see it. Okay. So I'll be posting it on both the weeks. So we are going to continue our assessment for next week and complete it on the week. Okay, so the main thing which I'm going to see what you're doing in your assessment is how you're going to finish it. And then after that, what is your creativity on it? Okay, so we start making something next week. Great, Hamza. Can I
Ma'am,
see
see,
it?
I'm fixed it.
Wow, excellent. Very good.
It's
Yeah,
an
good.
H, but it looks a little weird.
Okay, no worries. So what you can do is now just turn it over and flatten it a little bit, okay? So that when you stamp it, otherwise if you have any kind of up and down kind of surface on it, then you won't get a proper edge as a stamp. Do you understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
I've
So
done it.
see what I
I
did?
kept it.
Yeah, you just turn it over so that it becomes flat. Since it is right now soft, see, now this thing I have already stuck on my stand, and now I'm just going to turn it and keep so that it remains flat. So when I stamp it on any paper, the whole thing is flat. If there is any up and down on this surface, like your edge looks a little bumpy to me, then you won't get a proper edge stamp. Okay, Hamza? So just see that
Okay,
your whole
ma'am.
surface is flat. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so we are done for the day. Okay, so the next week material I will be posting. So be ready with it, and we will continue the same for our assessment as well. So bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.